Check this out. We've got a fresh-looking iPhone 16 Pro Max here, but it's got a major problem. The customer brought it in because, yep, the screen's not turning on. Now, if we take a closer look at the bottom of the phone, you can see some display fluid seeping out. That right there is a sign the display's been internally damaged. But watch this. When we plug it into a charger, you can hear that familiar charging sound. So we know the phone's still alive. It's just the screen causing the issue. All right, no more waiting around. Let's dive in and fix this. Before we can remove the screen, we've got to take out these two screws. Now we're going to grab this handy little tool to gently lift the screen off the phone body. This part takes a bit of patience, but we'll have it off in no time. You can see the beautiful internal structure of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Next up, I'm removing these display cables, both of them. You can still see the fluid patterns on this side of the display. Here's the genuine Apple display. You can see the old one and the new one side by side. No visible difference, but we know the old one's definitely damaged inside. Let's install the new one carefully. And that's it, everything's done, so let's put it all back together and tighten those bottom screws. Now for the best part, peeling off the new screen covers. It's one of the most satisfying things to watch, right? Now we'll quickly run a few setup processes after installing the new screen.
A few moments later.
As you can see, everything looks great and is working as good as new. If you're facing any issues with your devices, feel free to reach out to us today. This is Aries Mobile, happy to serve.